Hello everyone. So it's looking a little dark on the camera. I'm sorry about that. But it is what it is. Hello and welcome to another video on Taste More Fast Food Reviews. Welcome to the channel if you're new. So today we went to Dairy Queen again. I know, back-to-back Dairy Queen visits. But I figured I owed it to you since I didn't get a blizzard last time. And that means I got a blizzard this time. Yes, sir. So this is the Caramel Fudge Cheesecake large blizzard. I was thinking about getting the drumstick blizzard with peanuts, but not this time. We'll try it next time. There's quite a bit of wait to order and quite a bit of wait to pick up, so I'd say probably like maybe 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to turn the AC down a little bit because it keeps blowing my hair everywhere. And I also got some food this time as well. I got a chili cheese dog and a grilled chicken sandwich. So yeah, we went with a hot dog and a chicken sandwich because the burger was pretty good. So we got our food here. We're going to try the blizzard first. I'm going to try the blizzard because I haven't taken a bite of this. So I'm going to try that before I even show you. Take out the chicken sandwich and hot dog. It's pretty good. It has that typical blizzard flavor to it. Definitely has a taste of Oreo to it. Caramel Fudge Cheesecake shouldn't be too Oreo. It's got that Oreo flavor to it for some reason. I just got a good hit of fudge there. Cheesecake, I don't know, not so much. It's a little bit. In the caramel, yeah. I can taste the caramel. Overall, a nice blizzard. Not really too sure about like how much cheesecake flavor is really in here. It is melting a little bit. It's hot out here, so that's why I have the AC on in the car. So far, there haven't been any complaints about the noise of the AC or like it vibrating the car slightly. So I'm assuming that it's no big deal. But if it's a problem, please leave me a comment. Let me see if I can show you something. Just gonna give you something to look at. So, definitely melting. Definitely good. What did I get again? Yes, but there's so many blizzard flavors to get, really. Just because, like, there's not really too many bad choices you can make when you're ordering a blizzard, is what I feel like. It's heavily based on your personal taste, but I wouldn't say that I could get a blizzard every day, but I could probably get a blizzard every other day and be pretty happy. Not going to, though. I wonder what kind of calories, honestly, is in a blizzard. Or not so much calories, but, you know, sugar content, fat content, whatever. Really just sugar content. Because I'm all one for, like, you know, drinking my calories or whatever. And I don't worry about sugar too much, but it's something that's on my mind. maybe I will find the nutritional content, and I'll either put it in the description or maybe I'll put it on the screen. So I'm not talking about blizzards, although it's really good. It distracted me for longer than I thought about. 6 minutes in the video and I'm finally showing you food. So that's a chili cheese dog. It is simply enough chili, cheese, hot dog, and a bun. Let's kind of part it for you so you can get a better look. So let's give it a try. Not really all that flavorful, I'll be honest with you. I mean, I got a good bite of everything in there. I guess I'll show you. But, the cheese is really quite flavorless. Like, I got a little bit of chili flavor in there, and I didn't even get too much chili. I got, you know, all the cheese off that bite. The hot dog is just, you know, whatever hot dog. Same as any other hot dog, really. Same as what you buy, you know, frozen in a pack of 8 or whatever. I mean, you saw that there. I definitely got a little bit of cheese there. But, a little bit disappointing. Granted, I don't think I went over prices. It wasn't too much. Take one bite and then I'll go over prices. It was $5.99 for the large blizzard. $3.39 for the chili cheese dog. So, mentally in my head, I was kind of comparing it to like that last time we went. We had a great signature stack burger. It was pretty big. Is all I'm gonna say. I was comparing it to that, but that's a bit more expensive. That's like $6 or $7, I think. I remember. And this is $3.39. So, for a simple chili cheese dog for $3.39, I guess that's not too bad. However, mentally, I'd probably order something a bit more satisfying. Although I'm totally going to finish this, no problem. But just a bit more flavor, a bit more special. Because it's not this. And, the grilled chicken sandwich was $4.99. So we're going to finish this, we're going to have a little bit of the blizzard, and then I'll show you the chicken sandwich. So this video should be single take, and I guess I'm probably not going to have to edit it at all, so just going to upload it as is. I'll watch it, I'll preview it, of course. And I will add the, if I have time, I will add the timestamps for when I start reviewing food, because I know when I watch videos that I enjoy it, so that I make use of it when other people have it on their channels. So I try and do it on my videos. I know I skipped a few of doing the timestamps, and I just realized that I'm keeping my food down here when I should be showing you, since obviously you're looking at the food. So just a little preview of the chicken sandwich. Gonna have some more of the Blizzard. I'm not a huge fan of fudge, but I do like it from time to time. Definitely has like a strong fudge flavor when you do get into, you know, a chunk of it. I think I'd prefer like smaller chunks, but more of them, so you're not hit with like a very strong fudge flavor every time. But it's perfectly okay. Okay. Let's take another look at this chicken patty. So, chicken sandwich. So, chicken, tomato, lettuce, mayonnaise. Simple enough. Nice and warm. It's got a nice warmth to it. So let's take a bite of this. Try and get some chicken on this first bite. So, it is a bit of a letdown. I mean, Chick-fil-A is kind of the standard of a chicken sandwich, so I was comparing it to them mentally in my head. Not great. I don't really like the flavor of it. So I was considering what else to get, because I felt like I wanted it to be a bit longer video than just a chili cheese dog, a hot dog basically, and a Blizzard. So I was looking at the other stuff on the menu, and there was like a huge sign, you know, juicy, tender chicken bites, like small little things. And I looked at like that. There was a salad with the chicken bites in there for $6. I thought about getting this chicken sandwich for $5. I thought about getting, and then like a regular basket of chicken bites would be $9.99, I think. So anyway, I went with this just for something else. You know, I guess I'm kind of glad that I didn't get like a big basket of chicken bites if it's basically the same as this. But I just saw it on the menu, and it was, or the sign and the menu, and I was like, oh, that looks so good. So yeah, in terms of the chicken itself and the kind of mixture, lettuce, tomatoes, and mayonnaise, I feel like with the toppings and stuff, sorry, I'm getting a napkin. I feel like with the toppings and stuff, Chick-fil-A also does a better job. So, yeah. Would I get this again? Probably not. Just not like a great flavor to it. I went with the grilled. There's also the crispy. I would say, I mean, it can hit the spot, I guess, but I'd probably pass. I'd probably get something else. Yeah. So yeah, my ideal, what I would recommend that you order is check the last video to see whatever signature stack burger I got, you know, what size, how much meat, the weight of it. Look at that video, get that burger, and get most any Blizzard, honestly. That'd be my recommended order. You should get this caramel fudge. It's worth a try. But honestly, most Blizzards. So, they didn't give me any napkins in the bag. That's okay though, because I went into the Dairy Queen and waited in line and whatever, and they expect you to take your own napkins. But I'd prefer if they gave me like at least 2 or 3 in the bag, because it's useful. So I still have a little bit of a chicken sandwich left. You know, not quite half, a little under half, I'd say. But rather than sit here and mock it for another 2-3 minutes, I'll just end the food review here. So, if you liked the video, please be sure to subscribe. Please like the video. Please leave a comment. I read all of the comments. I try and respond to every single one of them, and I'm pretty low subscribers right now, so it's not that bad. So yeah, please support the channel. I will see you in the next video. I usually upload every Sunday at 5:30 p.m. So watch your videos then. All right, I'll see you in the next one.